Selling in filth, market vendors in Sav-La-Mar are blasting the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation for allegedly forcing them to ply their trade inside a facility they say is in a deplorable condition. The market was severely damaged during Hurricane Melissa, and the Municipal Corporation says it does not have the funds to fix it. Kimberly Petty has details.
Clogged drains, water settling in potholes, piles of garbage, loose pieces of zinc and other debris. That's the scene at a section of the Sav-La-Mar market. Vendors say they were placed here by the Municipal Corporation, which has banned them from selling on the streets. And they're not the only ones displeased. Terry Black says she's been buying produce at the market for over 50 years, and it's the worst she's ever seen it.
These vendors all have the best price and really nice produce, and they're doing the best they can in this terrible lane here, and it smells like doo-doo.
The Municipal Corporation told our news team that the vendors were given the option to use a transport center adjacent to the market, and that a section of the market was also cleaned for persons to sell their produce. However, the vendors refute those claims.
There's nowhere to clean in this market. Market is in a deplorable state. Bad. Very bad to come back in this filthy place. Smell awful. Melissa came, put the market in this condition, and there's nothing have been done from that time until now. Nothing at all.
This other vendor spoke to us off camera. She believes
Westmoreland market is a worse market. Nobody fi clean market or water. If any hole in a market, pay water, pay river in a water before Melissa. Market want fix. Market ever want fix before we come out here. Now we dey on the road. Them say we come off the road, nothing. Nothing them not do. Not even clean up nowhere. But if we come off the road.
the vendors say they've been losing money as customers are now opting to buy produce from the supermarket.
I'm a vendor here for 26 years, and it almost just like this, nothing better. They always say they come to fix the market, and there is nothing done to the market. And we just like this. People have to just stay on the roadside, just like how you see it. Nobody doing anything. It just demonstrated and look awful. The place needs to look clean up, man. Even after this time, I think the parish councils, other people never work with parish councils, should come and even clean up the market and take up the debris, take up the thing, take up the you know. But everything is just thrown down just like that. Is the poor vendor them now have to pay a person's thing? Clean up this, clean up that, to find somewhere to sell.
The market is a disgrace. You understand that now? Even the zincs them we still have flop on the market top. They should have sent somebody come because people still in danger. People lives are still in danger.
In the absence of the support by the local authorities, some vendors were seen clearing debris Thursday. Mayor of Sav-La-Mar, Dan Reed-Lancey, addressed the issue at Thursday's sitting of the Municipal Corporation.
We have to, of course, hear further from our parent Ministry of Local Government, and our Minister, Desmond McKenzie, the timeline for major repairs, or as some people are saying, relocation. But whatever it is, we will be taking instructions from our parent ministry.
The state at the Sav-La-Mar market has been a long-standing issue. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie toured the facility in December 2025 and suggested that a new facility will be erected. In the interim, vendors provided suggestions on the way forward.
I need proper arrangement for the market vendors, man. We know that it is expensive now to do fixing, but set something temporary. Yes, I mean, even these stalls down here on the outer part of the market, he couldn't come preach all 2-3 big tent down here like what they do over the hospital. That in case rain or anything, they can be more convenient.
My suggestion is they spend a little money on their people then and quit lining the pockets of the poly-tricksters, because they got a whole heap of money from the US government, the Canadian government, the UK, and we not see nothing.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.